Hello children, today we are going to discuss next topic, that is population change. Population change. Children, the population change refers to change in the number of people during a specific time. Change in number of people during a particular period of time is known as population change. As we all know that the world population has not been stable. It has increased many folds. This is actually due to a change in the number of births and death. Okay, change in population. It is mainly the difference between birth and death. Okay, this is actually due to change in the number of births and deaths. For an extremely long period of human history, until 1800, the world's population grew steadily but slowly. Till 18th century. Okay children, the population grew steadily but slowly. There are many reasons for this. Large number of babies were born, but they died early too. This was as there were no proper lack of health facilities. Okay children, these are the factors. Lack of health facilities. Lack of health facilities. Sufficient food was not available. Sufficient food was not available for all the people. And farmers were not able to produce enough food. Okay children, farmers were not able to produce enough to meet the requirement of all the people. Okay children, these are the important factors which are responsible for low rate of population growth, or you can say this during this period the population growth was very low because of all these factors. Lack of health facilities, sufficient food was not available for all the people, and farmers are not able to produce enough food to meet the requirement of all the people. These are the important factors. In 1820s, the world population reached 1 billion. 150 years later, in the early 1970s, the world population reached 3 billion. This is often called population explosion. In 1999, less than 30 years later, the population doubled to 6 billion. What are the reasons for this population explosion? There are some reasons. The main reasons are better food supplies. Population explosion beta है ना, population explosion. What is population explosion? When this is the time when population increased at a very fast rate. This is known as population explosion, and this is mainly due to better medical facilities, better food supplies, and deaths were reduced, while the number of births still remained fairly high because of better medical facilities, because everybody is getting sufficient amount of food. The death rate reduced and the birth rate remains still high. That's why population grow at a very very fast rate. Okay children, now we will discuss birth rate and death rate. What is birth rate? Number of people live births. Okay, what is birth rate? The number of live births per 1,000 persons. Okay, number of births per 1,000 person is known as birth rate, and death rate is number of persons. Number of persons died. Death are usually measured using the death rate, that number of deaths per 1,000 person. Birth rate is number of births per 1,000 person, and number of deaths per 1,000 person is known as death rate. Another important term is migration. What is migration? Movement of people from one place to another, from one region to another region, from one state to another region is known as migration. It is of two types: internal migration and external migration, or internal migration as well as international migration. Migration within the country is known as internal migration, and migration between two countries is known as international migration. Okay, birth rate and death rate, these are the two natural causes of population change. These are the two natural causes of population change. Okay, and the difference between the birth rate and the death rate of a country is called natural growth rate. Okay children, so this is all for today's class. Thank you.